Neovim, Episode 4, Visual Mode and Macros. Select, record, replay. Here's what we'll cover. Visual modes: character, line, and block. Visual block column editing. Macros and registers. Let's begin. Python file with broken indentation. Versus visual character mode. E. Extend to end of word. D. Delete selection. Versus select to end of line. Y. Yank. Copied. P. Paste after cursor. Capital V. Visual line mode. J. Extend down. D. Delete 3 lines. Capital V. Select function body. Greater than. Indent 1 level. G versus reselect. Less than. Unindent. Capital V. Select for substitute. :S. Substitute in selection only. G versus reselect to verify. CSV file. Fixed width columns. Control versus visual block. Capital G. Extend to last line. L. Widen the block. D. Delete the column. Control versus select data rows. Capital 1. Insert before each line. Escape. Apply to all lines. $. End of line. Capital A. Append after each line. Escape. Appended to all. Control versus select name column. C. Change the block. Escape. Replaced on all lines. Pipe separated data. 25 lines. QA. Record macro into register A. F pipe. Find pipe. R comma. Replace. F pipe. Second type. R comma. Replace again. J 0. Next line. Repeatable. Q. Stop recording. At A. Replay macro. At. Replay again. 10 at A. Replay 10 times. All lines transformed instantly. Reg A. View macro contents. Quote B. YIW. Yank word to register B. Quote B. Page paste from register B. Quote plus Y. Yank to system clipboard. Y. Yank line. DD. Delete next. Quote 0. Page paste last yank, not delete. Let us recap 5 key takeaways. First, V character, V line, Ctrl-v block. 3 visual modes. Second, visual selections. D, delete. Y, yank. Indent. Substitute. Third, visual block I inserts A appends on each line. Fourth, QA records a macro. Add a replays it. Count repeats. Fifth, named registers store text. Quote 0 holds last yank. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more Neovim tutorials.